Are you tired of chasing motivation only to watch it vanish when you need it most? You're not alone. In a world addicted to quick fixes and dopamine highs, it's easy to feel stuck, distracted, and directionless, but there is another way. The ancient Stoics taught a quiet power, one that doesn't burn out. It's not hype, it's not luck, it's self-discipline. At the Stoic Code, we bring timeless wisdom to modern struggles, helping you build the inner strength to thrive, no matter the chaos around you. In this video, you'll discover how Stoic philosophy can forge the kind of self-discipline that turns intention into action and pressure into purpose. If you're ready to go deeper, join the Stoic Code and begin your path toward grounded strength and lasting clarity. Number 1. The foundation of self-discipline. In today's digital age, we are inundated with an overwhelming amount of motivational content available at our fingertips. From inspiring quotes to powerful speeches, the internet is filled with resources designed to ignite our passion and drive. However, while this motivational content can provide a temporary boost, it often lacks the substance needed for long-term success. This is where the importance of self-discipline comes into play. Unlike fleeting motivation, self-discipline is the steadfast commitment to our goals, enabling us to push through challenges and maintain focus even when enthusiasm wanes. It is the foundation upon which we build our achievements, ensuring that we remain dedicated to our objectives despite distractions or setbacks. As we delve deeper into the concept of self-discipline, we must recognize that it is not merely about willpower. It requires a structured approach and a mindset geared towards resilience. To further explore this idea, we can turn to Stoic philosophy, which offers valuable insights into cultivating self-discipline. Stoicism teaches us to embrace challenges, control our reactions, and maintain a clear perspective on our goals. By integrating these principles into our daily lives, we can develop a stronger sense of self-discipline that transcends the initial spark of motivation. In the following sections, we will examine how Stoic practices can empower us to harness self-discipline effectively, ultimately leading us to achieve our aspirations with greater consistency and purpose. Number 2. Self-control, hard work, and clear aims. Self-discipline, as defined by the Cambridge Dictionary, refers to the ability to control oneself and make decisions that align with long-term goals, rather than succumbing to immediate desires. This concept is crucial in the context of achieving our aspirations, as it encompasses several key components: self-control, diligent work, and a clear aim. Self-control is the cornerstone of self-discipline. It allows individuals to resist temptations and distractions that can derail progress. Coupled with this is the necessity of hard work, which involves consistent effort and dedication toward our objectives. Without the willingness to put in the necessary work, even the most ambitious goals can remain unattainable. Lastly, having a clear aim provides direction and purpose, ensuring that our efforts are focused and meaningful. These components of self-discipline are not new. They have been praised by ancient Stoics who emphasized the importance of mastering oneself to achieve a virtuous and fulfilling life. Stoic philosophers like Epictetus and Seneca advocated for the cultivation of self-control and the relentless pursuit of one's goals through disciplined action. They believed that true freedom comes from within, achieved by exercising self-discipline to navigate life's challenges. By embodying these principles, we can harness the power of self-discipline to not only reach our goals, but also to develop resilience and character along the way. In essence, self-discipline is a vital skill that empowers us to transform our aspirations into reality through focused effort and unwavering commitment. Number 3. Industriousness and inner peace. Stoic philosophy offers profound insights into the concepts of self-discipline and industriousness, as articulated by key figures such as Seneca and Marcus Aurelius. These philosophers emphasize that true fulfillment and virtue arise from a disciplined approach to life, where one actively engages in work and personal development. Seneca, in his letters, often highlighted the necessity of industriousness, arguing that meaningful work is essential for achieving a life of purpose. He believed that through diligent effort, individuals could cultivate their character and contribute positively to society. Similarly, Marcus Aurelius, in his Meditations, underscored the importance of self-discipline as a means to maintain focus on one's duties and responsibilities. He viewed industriousness not merely as a task, but as a pathway to inner tranquility and resilience against external chaos. The Stoics held that self-discipline is intrinsically linked to inner peace. By exercising control over one's impulses and committing to consistent effort, individuals can navigate life's challenges with a calm and composed mindset. This alignment of actions with values fosters a sense of harmony within, allowing one to remain centered amidst adversity. The Stoic belief is that when we embrace self-discipline and industriousness, we not only work towards our goals, but also cultivate a deeper sense of contentment and stability. Thus, through the teachings of Seneca and Marcus Aurelius, we learn that self-discipline is not just about restraint. It is a vital practice that leads to a more peaceful and purposeful existence. If this resonates with your path toward growth, consider subscribing to the Stoic Code. Join a community dedicated to timeless wisdom, inner strength, and the pursuit of a meaningful life. Number 4. The Banquet Analogy and Daily Discipline. Developing self-discipline can be effectively guided by Stoic ideas, particularly through the teachings of Epictetus, who famously used the banquet analogy to illustrate self-control. In this analogy, he likens life to a banquet where we are presented with various choices and temptations. Just as one must choose wisely what to eat at a banquet, we must exercise discernment in our daily decisions, opting for actions that align with our long-term goals rather than succumbing to immediate gratification. This metaphor emphasizes the importance of self-control in navigating life's distractions and temptations, which can easily derail our progress if we allow them to take precedence over our commitments. Resisting distractions is crucial in cultivating self-discipline. In a world filled with constant notifications and competing demands for our attention, it is essential to create an environment conducive to focus. This may involve setting boundaries, such as designating specific times for work or limiting exposure to social media, thereby minimizing the allure of distractions that can undermine our efforts. Moreover, practice and repetition are vital in strengthening self-control. Just as physical muscles grow stronger through consistent exercise, our ability to exercise self-discipline improves with regular practice. By setting small, achievable goals and gradually increasing their complexity, we can build our self-discipline over time. This iterative process not only reinforces our commitment, but also fosters resilience, enabling us to face greater challenges with confidence. Through these Stoic strategies, we can cultivate a robust sense of self-discipline that empowers us to achieve our aspirations. Number 5. Balance between labor and rest. In the context of self-discipline, the significance of work is deeply rooted in Stoic philosophy, which posits that humans are inherently designed to engage in meaningful labor. This belief underscores the idea that work is not merely a means to an end, but a fundamental aspect of our existence that contributes to our growth and fulfillment. Marcus Aurelius, a prominent Stoic philosopher, often reflected on the importance of duty and purpose in his writings. He believed that fulfilling our responsibilities is essential for living a virtuous life, as it aligns our actions with our values and aspirations. For Aurelius, embracing our duties with diligence and integrity is a pathway to achieving inner peace and contentment. However, while work is vital, the Stoics also recognize the necessity of balance between labor and relaxation. Engaging in work without adequate rest can lead to burnout and diminish our effectiveness. Therefore, it is crucial to cultivate a rhythm that allows for both industriousness and recuperation. This balance enables us to recharge and maintain our focus, ensuring that our efforts remain sustainable over time. By integrating periods of relaxation into our routines, we can enhance our productivity and creativity, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling life. In essence, the Stoic perspective on work emphasizes that self-discipline is not solely about relentless effort. It also involves recognizing the importance of rest and balance, allowing us to pursue our goals with vigor and purpose while nurturing our well-being. Number 6. Combating laziness through self-love. Laziness can often stem from a variety of causes, including a lack of motivation, fear of failure, or even a misguided perception of work as a burden. Marcus Aurelius, a key figure in Stoic philosophy, offers valuable insights into combating laziness through his perspective on self-love and industriousness. He believed that true self-love involves recognizing our potential and embracing the responsibilities that come with it. By cultivating a sense of duty towards our work, we can foster a mindset that values industriousness as a means of personal growth and fulfillment. To combat laziness, it is essential to embrace our natural inclinations and passions. Often, we may find ourselves disengaged from tasks that do not resonate with our interests or values. By identifying what truly motivates us and aligning our work with these inclinations, we can transform our approach to productivity. This shift in perspective allows us to view work not as a punishment but as an opportunity for self-expression and achievement. Moreover, finding personal fulfillment in our endeavors can significantly reduce feelings of laziness. When we approach our tasks with the mindset that they contribute to our growth and well-being, we are more likely to engage fully and enthusiastically. By reframing our relationship with work and recognizing its potential for personal satisfaction, we can combat laziness effectively. Ultimately, embracing industriousness as a form of self-love empowers us to overcome inertia and pursue our goals with vigor and purpose. Number 7. The power of clear goals. Having clear goals is essential for cultivating self-discipline, as it provides a sense of direction and purpose in our endeavors. Without defined objectives, we risk falling into aimlessness, which can lead to a lack of motivation and productivity. This state of wandering can be detrimental, as it often results in wasted time and energy, leaving us feeling unfulfilled and frustrated. Marcus Aurelius, a prominent Stoic philosopher, emphasized the importance of avoiding aimless activity in his writings. He advised that we should be mindful of how we spend our time, urging us to focus on meaningful pursuits that align with our values and aspirations. By setting clear goals, we can steer our efforts toward activities that contribute to our growth and well-being. Defining our goals not only fosters motivation, but also enhances our ability to exercise self-discipline. When we have specific targets to strive for, we are more likely to remain committed and focused, even in the face of challenges. Clear goals serve as a roadmap, guiding our actions and decisions and helping us prioritize our time effectively. They also provide a sense of accomplishment as we achieve milestones along the way, reinforcing our commitment to self-discipline. Encouraging viewers to take the time to define their goals is crucial. By articulating what they truly want to achieve, individuals can cultivate a stronger sense of purpose and direction, ultimately enhancing their self-discipline and leading to a more fulfilling and productive life. As you reflect on the journey we've just taken, remember that lasting growth is not fueled by flashes of motivation, but by steady self-discipline. We began by exploring how motivation often fades, while self-discipline sustains our efforts. We learned from the Stoics, Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius that true freedom comes from mastering ourselves. We saw how self-discipline arises from clear goals, meaningful work, daily practice, and a balance of effort and rest. We learned to combat laziness by aligning with our deeper purpose, and how the banquet of life demands careful choices, not indulgence. Start small, choose one principle from today's video, and begin practicing it consistently. Whether it's setting clearer goals, minimizing distractions, or embracing your duties with care, commit to steady improvement. Subscribe to the Stoic Code and join a community of grounded thinkers striving to live with wisdom, clarity, and discipline. Share your reflections in the comments below. Your experience might guide someone else. And until next time, remember the words of Epictetus: "No great thing is created suddenly." Farewell.